For innovative digital-first companies, the contact center has become the face of business, providing personalized, customer-focused experiences. But many enterprises are hampered by legacy systems that are siloed and inflexible, creating a negative experience. Give your customers what they want with Talkdesk, a cloud-native contact center platform that delivers enterprise power and consumer simplicity, resulting in increased productivity, cost savings, and customer satisfaction. How does Talkdesk deliver? First, it's powerfully simple. Simple to set up, simple to learn, simple to use, and it's seamlessly connected. Over 60 out-of-the-box integrations with the most popular business tools, including the industry's deepest Salesforce integration, provides a connected experience to your teams and your customers. The best part is that Talkdesk is endlessly adaptable, so you can keep up with the evolving needs of your customers and your business. Make admin changes with clicks, not code, so there's no need to call IT. And with Talkdesk's robust enterprise-class security, reliability, call quality, and 24/7 support, you can rely on it to power your contact centers wherever they are located. Talkdesk's Enterprise Contact Center platform is helping over 1,800 innovative companies around the world make customer experience a competitive advantage. If that's your goal, let's talk. Take a tour or request a demo at talkdesk.com.